Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at how we can remove signers from a session. So here we are in a session and it has multiple signers, but we realize that one of the signers shouldn't be here, or maybe a witness shouldn't be here. So how can we do that? We can go to our menu and go to these three settings. So add, remove signers, add, remove witnesses, add, remove observers. In this session, we only have signers and witnesses. So let's see if we can remove a couple of them as needed. So let's go to add, remove signers. And so if we want to remove an additional signer, here we go to this X. And it asks us to confirm, are you sure you want to remove this signer from the session? And we can press OK. And so we see that that signer has been removed. And we can also see it here. If we notice, one of the signer bubbles up here is gone. Now, let's see if we can remove one of the witnesses that doesn't need to be here anymore. So we want to go to Menu again and go to Add, Remove Witness. And we have Owen and Theo. But let's say Theo is no longer needed in this session. So we can just go here to this little garbage can to remove the witness from the session. And we're being asked to confirm again, do we want to remove this witness? And we can also keep the tags in case we need to invite another witness, but those tags still need to be there. It just won't be Theo. So let's remove the witness. We have removed Theo and only Owen is here as a witness. And also Theo's bubble has been removed from the session. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our channel for more remote online notary tips.